Now starts at the nature. We going at the nature because we need to try to play. We find the bicycles. And if you want to go, baby must go to a bicycle and they need to try to play into the nature. Yes, I need into the red bicycle. It's a red bicycle for me. We need to try to riding here. Vroom. We need to try to tie that up the bicycles. Quickly. And we can go find the animals and have one dog. That's a dog. I can't believe that any dogs, because dogs are very dangerous. We can go, and dogs are saying, "Wow, wow, wow." That means we need a playing with dogs. We can go riding on a unicorn. And the unicorn need to try to swim into the water. The swimming unicorn. Where is a boy? But he's going swimming in the water with the unicorn. Don't cut the code. Yes, and can swim